Hi, this is Vince. One of the reasons I'm making this video today is because I did some welds the other day that didn't work out well. And I realized that I was rushing myself, I hadn't been welding enough, and I didn't take my time to do the right stuff. And I feel bad about that. So, from now on, damn it, I'm just gonna weld more and have fun with it. Thanks. Okay, hi, this is Vince. These are what are called coupons. So basically they're prepared pieces of metal that you use to practice welding on. 1/4 inch, and I've cleaned them up where I'm gonna weld. And it's important to stay in practice, and I haven't really taken the time to do that. And sometimes it can lead to problems with welds you make. So I'm gonna start practicing more. I've got my gear on. I got my ground clamp right here. I'm gonna turn my machine on, and we're gonna weld for a little bit. What I do not know is if the camera will do any good with this. So we will see. I have magnets on either side. And what they do is help position the pieces. Keep them where you want them. All right? So here we go. Okay, so that turned out pretty good. We're gonna let that sit, clean it up a little bit, and then I'll take a closer look at it. I'll probably use this same piece of metal, flip it over, and do the back. And then weld whatever else to it to make like a hanger or something, because I really don't want to waste the metal. But thank you. Okay, so this is the weld we just did. And this thing is still hot. I can feel the heat coming off of it with my hand. But basically that's what's called stacking dimes. And the other little phraseology you hear is sizzling bacon. So you generally know you have your voltage and your wire speed and your distances and everything's set right when it sounds like bacon in a frying pan. Oops, excuse me. Okay, so what you can see, this is now the back of the coupons. And I went ahead and cleaned up the back of the weld. So I'm gonna go ahead and just do another test weld. Okay, the weld machine's on. This time I used the C-clamp to hold everything in place. And here we go. Or maybe not. Okay, good. Back again. Reset the breaker. Here we go. Okay, well, that looks pretty good, except I got one spot we don't like, so we might come back and get that one. So this is what you do when you have a fault. You come here, you grind out the bad part, and you go back and re-weld it. So, here we go again. These are welder's pliers, and that's called trimming the stick out, because it is important how far that wire sticks out from your torch. So let's see if we can weld over top of this baby. Make it look pretty again. Okay, so that went well. That looks great. So that's it for now. Thanks for watching.